across the street from the beach. This could be your front yard. We have this nice apartment right here. So your views, big living room. You can take the wall sconces down and put a wide TV or a small TV. Mayan Revival tile, beautiful hardwood floor, built in. That's a very deep cabinet. Dishwasher, country kitchen type sink. And talk about country kitchen. This was hand built many years ago. That folds up and gives you plenty of room. Hallway back to the bedroom. Oh, before we go anywhere, actual air conditioning, full forced air, heat and air. And so you go down this hallway. More built-ins, and then main bathroom here. Really cool tiles. More built-ins. And then here's the guest bedroom. Beautiful wood floors, and the high ceilings definitely come into play here, because now you have a room that feels really big. Master bedroom. And carried the antique theme through with Catalina tiles in the shower, including on the ceiling. Small sink. And the birds can change out. That's just an item left by the last tenant. Beautiful floors. Oh, out the back door, past the closet here, is a garage, and you get one space in the garage in the back. And there's common areas out there that's shared. Thank you for coming for the tour. This is the apartment on the first floor, 2217 Ocean Front Walk. Give me a call if you're interested.